Guys, what's going on? It's Joe Burgess. Welcome back to the channel. Looking at the Honda today, and looks like we got a few issues we got to take care of here. And pulling it all apart. Just getting a few set screws all warmed up here, and we encountered a few more issues here. Like back here, got a sway bar link that's broken, and underneath here, you won't be able to see it too well, but there's a ball joint that's popping out right here, and a few other things, guys. I got a couple of brake lines. I have to look at too, but it's gonna heat this up good. Looks like it's ready, but I'm gonna be pulling these off anyways. We got a 2004 Honda Civic here, just doing a basic brake job too, and just warming up the set screws. But yeah, we got a couple other things we're actually working on this, but we're just getting it ready. Later on, I gotta fly up to the junkyard. We're gonna get a steering knuckle for this, and don't want to save a little time. I don't feel like pressing a new one in. I'm gonna give that a shot. But for now,